Dun, 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 dun. Bunch of balloons.
Yay!
Yeah. So today, Matthew and Dad, we're gonna be taking a look at bunch of balloons. And you know what? Go ahead and show them how you fill these balloons. These balloons are super quick to fill. You don't have to stop to fill up like 1,000 of them and then be done in 5 minutes. Go ahead and show them how to do it real quick. You just put the balloon in the water and you close it, and look at that, all done.
Wow.
Within what, like a second? And then it opens up to splash your enemy, and then you just fill it up again. That's probably going to be the most annoying part, where it's obviously single use, but it's easy to fill up though. That's the only thing that's really good about this. It's super soft. Look at that. You guys can probably see that. Yep. And now I'm going to throw this one at Matthew, just to see how I missed. But you can see, it splashes everywhere. Splashes the water everywhere. Let's grab another one. I'm going to grab the orange one. Ah! Here you go. Ah. Now we're out of balloons. Now we got to go fill them up again. But let's go ahead and see how long it takes us to refill all the balloons. Let's fill them all up real quick. Just put the balloon in there and close it. Oh, these are magnetic. I just noticed that. So the rim is magnetic, so it makes it a lot easier. So just fill up and close. Fill it up and fill it up and close. Oh, there's. Oh, wait, yeah, there's a pink one underneath. Okay. We fill it up and close. There you go. We got more balloons ready.
3 and 3.
So honestly, I think. Wait, what? 3 and 3. Oh yeah, there's 6 total. So each package comes with 6. So more than likely, you're gonna need to buy more than one package, because if it's just throwing 6 at a time, you're gonna run out super quick. Even though, as you saw, it's really easy to fill and open up and get yourself sprayed. Because all you gotta do, squish them and spray yourself everywhere. Here you go. And here you go. And now, unfortunately, we have to fill them up again. All right, yeah, no, pretty simple, pretty fun. Again, probably buy more than one package. We only bought one just to test it out, see if we even gonna like it. But apparently Matthew's having a blast, so we're probably gonna end up having to go to Walmart. I think that's where we got it, and picking up more of these bunch of balloons. All right, Matthew, so what do you think? Is it fun? Not fun?
Fun.
Really? What do you give it out of 10?
9.5.
9.5 out of 10? Pretty good score. All right, guys, that's it for today. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. All we do is mainly review toys, review snacks, chips, candies, and video games. All right. Bye. Oh, my God. Got me all wet.